you guys. It's been a little bit, but hope you guys had a great New Year. We are driving down in Quartzsite and it is busy, you guys.
Driving down memory lane.
It is packed. Let's check it out.
There's just nowhere to park today.
This is Saturday and it's just the beginning. And the big tent show is up, but it's not open until like, I think the 18th of January. But then you got all these small other vendors. Yep. Look at all this, you guys. Look at all these people. It's crazy.
Oh boy.
So when the tent show starts, you guys, if you want to come down here, you got to get down here like at 9 a.m. to get parking.
Yeah, it gets filled up pretty quick. But I mean, usually there'll be somebody pulling out, like there's a couple right there. There'll be somebody pulling out, as you're pulling in a lot of times. But I don't know,
And you just got to bring your patient pants with you because
right
no need to act like a Karen or a Ken while you're here.
Or a Barbie.
Okay, let's go check it out. Look at all this stuff, you guys. And there's rows and rows over it. Lots of vendors. Okay, you guys, all the way up here, you got everything that you can possibly imagine for RV. I mean, everything. Guys, I needed a duster today. My dog is just making me turn around. Hey guys, this is what we found down there. I got me a coffee cup for $5, a duster and a lighter, and a $2 can of spray paint. Let's look in the bag here for a project. I can get it out. And there. So you never know what you guys are gonna find down there. There is so much stuff though. If you like big giant swap meets and stuff, this is a place.
Big giant yard.
Yeah, there's some really cool stuff to look at. Old stuff, cool signs. Here's the other side of it, you guys. We're not gonna do that today. We are too tired already. They got some really cute clothes in this shop. Yes, one of my favorite shops, and they're open year-round here. But yeah, it's getting crowded. And then there's the big tent, you guys, way in the back. I'll give you a better view here on the way home. You guys, it's one of the worst windy days we've had here. Now me and Scott are used to these windstorms here, but this is a doozy. It is so dusty out here. The dirt is just flowing everywhere. You guys, look at what's going on. Oh my. I think this is the windiest we've ever seen in Quartzsite.
I hope that little tent stays on the ground right over behind my pickup.
Oh yeah.
Right.
Oh yeah, you guys can't see it.
Right there's a tent. Or over wherever it is.
Crazy.
Yeah, it's over here, right here somewhere. Yeah, it's crazy. I mean, it straight up just blocks the view of everything. Can you just imagine the fires now up there with this?
Yeah,
this is the kind of wind they're getting.
Yeah, well, worse than this.
I mean, and it's constant. It don't quit.
Guys, check out the yurt. Oh my God, the strap broke. Oh, Babe, 2 straps broke on the yurt. Oh, geez, you guys, look. Oh, I just now noticed. Oh, no. Wow, so I was going to go out there and fix it. Oh, man. And we had this is one of the worst windstorms ever in Quartzsite, you guys, because we have never had a problem with this yurt. So now I just posted a video earlier how good it was doing. Well, there you have it. You better make sure that it is down good. Okay, let Scott fix it. Wow, it's crazy. Oh, he had to lay down his solar panels because they were going to blow over, so we took care of that, you guys. Just the chairs, but oh my gosh, it's bad. We got the one strap done. Okay, Scott's getting the last one fixed. Oh my God, you guys! Woo! It is so windy out here. It's crazy. Okay, guys, let's go in. Don't go outside today. Just stay inside, guys. Whew. Okay, you guys want to see what the big hype is in Quartzsite? What everyone is waiting for them to put up. Here we go. We're gonna go
Early bird gets the worm.
We're gonna go take a sneak peek at the big tent. They bring in all these fancy motorhomes and fifth wheels, toy haulers. And about 1.5 million RVers all come here in January to check out this big tent show. So stay tuned, you guys. Subscribe to our channel and we're going to go to the big tent. We'll show you what it's going to be like.
Hey, if they wasn't blocking it off over there.
That's okay. So yeah, we'll be back, you guys.
Pull it forward. Pull it forward. Dude, switch the screen. Switch the screen. Switch the screen. Oh my gosh, look out! Switch the screen. Look out!
What are you doing? God, you were just spazzing out.
You were supposed to video record a thing coming at you.
Oh, why? You guys,
Jeez.
I don't get his jokes, you know.
I know you don't. Okay. But if you wanted to do it, it'd be different.
Okay, guys, so.
No, it's cool. Whatever. Here, I'm gonna go get that welcome flag. Hold on. Should I go get that welcome flag?
No.
That one right. Should I go get that one right there?
No, you just need to pay attention, drive. So you guys,
Oh shit, watch out for the boat.
it's getting really busy here, you guys. So if you want to come and camp next to the tent show here, you can. But you camp right up here is the first one. Lots of traffic, guys.
They must have just turned the light green.
Quartzsite is getting busy.
I'm gonna do my siren.
That is Lepo's the west. This is Lepo's the north.
Put your right foot in and you shake it all about. you cruise around the desert and you get dusted out.
Yeah.
That's what it's all about.
That's for sure, you guys. You do get dusted out. We are so sick of the dust right now. The last 4 days of extreme wind. Scott's got this new toy. He likes to play too much on it.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, to the right we have the Tyson Wash.
Yep, this is Tyson Wash on this side. Look at all those campers all over there. They're pretty spread out over here. We got friends staying over on this side. Yeah, those side-by-sides put a lot of dust out here. I'm just put music on anyways. On some of it, but not all of it.
I was just fooling.
Okay, so yeah, so that's it. This was Tyson Wash, you guys. This is where you turn into that. And we're going to turn into La Posa South, where we're at.
La Posa South is where we're at.
And I'll show you guys how crowded. Oh my gosh. Wait until you see the crowd today, you guys. It is nuts out here. And let me give you another tip. On this road right here, don't be speeding. There's all kinds of cops trying to get you, and they'll get you. And there's so many accidents because of people in a hurry. Do not come here and get in a hurry. Just take your time because there's way too many people to get in a hurry here. So, God, excuse you, Scott.
Sorry, I couldn't help it.
Oh my, sorry guys. How rude.
How rude, you sick son of a
Oh my
gun.
gosh.
Me
Okay,
sorry.
guys, you want to see the big old people signing up today? Oh my God. You're just like...
You kill me, Smalls.
Oh my God, you're just being gross right now.
No, I wasn't being gross. Sorry, guys. I didn't mean to do
Stop! Okay, guys, he needs to go time out. Oh my God.
Uh-oh.
Okay, guys.
Look who's here. Look.
Who?
Look at the Winnebago.
I don't know.
Look. The red hair.
I don't know who that is.
Destiny's friend. She just went right there. There she goes.
I'll have to put some music. Okay, guys. Now we're back to our channel, how to give Scott some spankings. Look at you guys. Look how many people are arriving. And people are coming in. Hi, everyone. We love you. No, I'm kidding. Let's just see how crowded it is.
Look there's a lot of people that's already been showing up. They show up a little bit more every day.
Yeah, you guys, so we went and did laundry today, and we went to Quartzsite to do laundry, and we could not find a place to park. I had waited way too long to do laundry. I had 3 loads, so we went to Ehrenberg and did 9 loads of laundry in an hour and a half, and thank goodness I was the only one in there. Everyone else had just gotten done, so we got really lucky. But if you come out here in Quartzsite, do not wait 3 weeks to do your laundry and take up 9 wash machines. I suggest you go weekly. Not sure what I was thinking. Honey, wasn't that fun today?
Whatever.
Here's all the laundry, you guys. We still have it here, and So that's what we've been doing today.
We ain't even made it home yet.
We haven't made it home yet, but we wanted to show you guys how busy Quartzsite is starting to look. And you guys, we really haven't said hi since New Year's Day, so hi everyone. I hope you guys are gonna have a better New Year's, better year this year. 2025 be a better year for everyone. Because 2024, 2023, 2022, 2021 was rough.
I can't handle no more roughness.
And you guys probably have noticed, you know, there's all kinds of campers here. From a tent to a car.
Buses.
To whatever they call that. But it's so cool.
Van.
Yeah, everything. It just, I love what people come up with out here, what they manage to build. And you got people that live in a tent, to living in their cars, to high dollar toy haulers, high dollar motorhomes. So you got it from the low to the high out here. And it's been so dusty out here, you guys. Like, really dusty. And today has been great. Look at this. Oh, everything's calm. You can see. But it was a crazy about 4 days. Yesterday was the worst day I think we've ever being out in Quartzsite. What do you think, hon?
It was pretty bad.
Yeah.
I'm thinking I'm gonna go fill up a couple bags of water and try to squirt down our driveway.
Yeah, it's gotten so dusty out here. Even the roads, you guys.
It's all this powder now.
Yeah, we haven't had any rain. I've never seen it out here like this, that we've had so much dirt that's just powder. So that's the only drawback of coming to Quartzsite. I mean, really the truth is that it's very dusty and you can't even dust your house. It just comes right back the next day, if not the first hour. Seriously, I'm not gonna lie. You feel like you're cleaning your house every day here. Well, you are. You don't feel like it. You actually are. But yeah, you guys can see that it's pretty busy. Almost to our campsite. Yeah, but we are really enjoying ourselves out here, you guys. Today it's 64 degrees and sunny with no wind. And on those days we do appreciate when there's no wind.
64 degrees with a slight breeze over on the left-hand north side. And then we got a slight chance of dustiness coming tomorrow.
And then you guys, the only thing we've been doing lately is a lot of sitting around and resting, hanging out. Scott's been working on the AC split, like you saw, the big boo-boo. We know what's wrong, and now we're just gonna fix it. So stay tuned for that video.
Ain't nothing wrong with the unit. It's a beautiful unit.
Yeah.
Here's what's wrong right there.
What'd you do?
Me.
But what's wrong?
Oh, I rushed my job. I should have took my time. My buddy Wob said, make sure, don't let it loose until you make sure. I said, oh, I made sure, boss, I made sure. I didn't make sure.
Yeah.
So what happened is I didn't get the line tight enough, so when it circulated, it worked great until all of my stuff leaked out. So now I'm ordering all the stuff I need. I'm gonna get it all tightened up, fixed up, and we're gonna rock and roll with it.
Yeah, so stay tuned for that video, you guys. When it's all finished, Scott's gonna tell you exactly what we did, how we did it, why we did it, and how it's working, because we're gonna get it working. So we just been working on that, and now we're focusing on, besides finishing that, the solar panels, and that's about it, you guys. So we haven't been doing a whole lot, actually, just a whole lot of sitting around, because me and Scott are so broken, sometimes we have to do a lot of sitting around. So, but we enjoy it. But we wanted to say hi to everyone, and thank you for subscribing and our new followers. I see you. We appreciate you and all the comments that are coming in. Great, thank you. And leave some more comments. Like, would you guys ever live out here in this dirty place? Would you camp in the desert with your friends? Or would you like these?
Yeah. Want to go camping?
Yeah, so against it? Is this crazy to you, or would you enjoy it? Leave us a comment, let us know. Until next time.
I like camping in the desert. I like this. I like boondocking, but it just not so dusty because, I mean, you take a shower and you go outside, or even you go to your living room and you sit for a little bit. It's like you're already full of dust. So
okay,
anyway,
guys,
y'all,
stay tuned until next time. See ya.
Bye-bye.
Bye now.